How to log in to IC markets. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in and access your IC markets account using the IC markets app. First of all, launch open the IC markets application on your mobile device. Now you'll end up in this welcome screen. Click the login button at the bottom right corner and then it'll take you to the login interface. To log into your account, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password associated with your IC Markets account. First of all, type in your email in the first field. Now, go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you know the password, type it down and click Login. And you have successfully logged into your account. So that is how you can easily log into your existing IC Markets account using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.